barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, first point you have to know. And it have a minimum reading and a maximum reading. From the picture you can get the minimum reading and maximum reading. And there will be a 2 arrow. Blue color arrow and gold color arrow. Okay, in the blue color arrow behind the first one, the blue color arrow is indicate the mean sea level. Okay, then wait. Then the gold color arrow, it's if it is your place is in Jaffna, it is this yellow color indicate the your reading, your area pressure reading, and the blue color is given the mean sea level, how elevated from the sea level. If it is sea level 0, what is the elevation of your place? That's a mean sea level. Okay. The barograph is a graph format of the atmospheric pressure is used to this the instruments. Okay, there will be a pen-like structure. There the graph will be show that how atmospheric pressure is varied. Okay, student. Okay. Then one more thing in the barograph you have to know that if it is higher reading, that indicates sunny and dry condition. Just note it down. If it is higher reading in barometer, sunny and dry condition. Okay. And if it is a lower reading, stormy and wet condition. This will be helping in the quiz at the last. Okay. Shall I move the new one?
Okay.
Okay. Wait. 094. Are you available?
Yes, ma'am.
Until now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And okay, 056.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, until now. Then hydrometer and psychrometers. Okay, this is used to measure the relative humidity. Shortly, you can frequently used RH. Okay, psychrometer consists of wet and dry bulb temperature. Okay, here you can know that wet bulb, you know that, and dry bulb thermometer, you know that. There will be a chance for the reading difference with dry bulb and wet bulb. I told no. Okay, the question was asked in a barograph. I will, after finishing this, I will tell now. Okay, now just listen this one. Wet bulb and dry bulb thermometer. In the wet bulb thermometer, is if it is 26 in dry bulb, 20 in wet bulb. Okay, the reduction is difference between wet and bulb temperature. There will be a chart in the meteorological station that indicate the if the x-axis is difference, y-axis is dry bulb temperature. Like that, they will have a chart. From that difference, they can get the RH. That's a common thing. That's a new one. No need to worry much. There will be a chart. From that, you can get the relative humidity in a simple method. Here, these hydrometers and psychrometric meters are used to measure the relative humidity. Okay, there will be a modified psychrometers used to measure the relative humidity accurately in a crop canopy. Okay, specifically they are measuring the relative humidity near to the crop canopy. Near to the canopy, they are measuring the relative humidity. So for that, there will be a modified emissions psychrometers. The normal psychrometer, that's a normal thing. And the hygrometer is generally used to measure the relative humidity inside the room. If you are maintaining the room with a green wall like that, you can want to be measure the room relative humidity. For that, here hygrometer, you have to know these pictures. Just see. Okay, here it is. Here hygrometer is used to measure the relative humidity inside the room, and there will be a graph same as the previous two. We studied two instruments like this graph. Like that, you can get the graph. It shows the variation for the continuous period of time. Okay. The question asked previously in a the person who asked the question, barograph. If a barometer reading is high, it is indicated sunny and dry condition. The area is sunny and the dry condition. If the barometer reading is less, it's indicated this is wet condition and stormy area. Okay? The person who asked question is okay?
Okay, well.
Okay. Thank you. Then we can move. Okay, evaporation tank. First, see the instruments. Okay, this is the evaporation tank. It's also called as pan evaporimeter. Okay, it's also you can call this one as pan evaporimeter. PA pan, then evaporimeter. Okay, here you can see though this instrument is installed above the wooden layer. Okay, above the wooden layer it's installed, and there will be a cover in a top, and from this is as a Stevenson box like that, like this Stevenson box, like this instruments. It's the most essential instruments that placed in a meteorological station. You can easily identify these instruments. Evaporation tank. It's used to measure the evaporation. Used to measure the evaporation rate. The common type is open pan evaporation tank. Okay. Then these things you want to know that the diameter of the top here, the diameter of this cylinder need to be 1.207 meter. If it is not 122 centimeter, 122 centimeter, and the height of the vessel is 25 centimeter. Okay, see the picture. The height of this cylinder is 25 centimeter. This is 1.22 meter or 122 centimeter. Okay. Okay. This is used to measure the evaporation rate. The reading will be taken in every 3 hours. Okay, normally the reading of all these meteorological station reading like temperature, the rain gauge, and the atmospheric pressure was taken in morning and evening. Normally morning they are taking the reading at 8:30. Okay, at the evening time they are taking the reading in 4 o'clock. These things as common, you have to know that 8:30 and 4:30 are the reading taken period of meteorological station. I am telling this because this meteorological station is there will be one meteorological station in Greenwich district. I visit there. They are taking the reading in 8:30 in the morning and 4 o'clock in the evening. 2 times they are taking the reading. Okay. Shall I move?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, sun sign recorder. There are several type of instruments used to measure the radiations of sunshine. Here you see the picture. This is sun sign recorder. Okay. This picture, there is sun sign recorder. Here there will be a card, like a card. This card, sun sign recorder card. This card. It can. These there are 3 type of cards normally used. For type 1, type 2, type 3. Like that, there will be 3 types. They can be put in the, there will be a area to put the card. Here you can see, no, there will be one card already put here also. Like that, the card will be, can be insert in this covered area. So, let's see. These instruments is a simple instruments used to measure the radiation. That means sunshine. Okay, in this card, if it is sunlight occurs heavily, due to that, if it is sunlight is absorbed here, and there will be a chance for the burning. You can see, no, it is visible, burning. You can see, no, here burning, burnt one. So from that, there will be a burning in the card. From that, here in this picture, you can see here fully from the start to end, the burning was occurred. Here the partial one. Here also partial one. From that, you can get, there will be a chart maintaining in the meteorological station. The each particular length having the hour. 2 hours. Imagine if it is 2 hours in this day, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. So 6 hours, 8 hours. 8 hours sunshine was recorded. Okay, like that they are getting reading. Okay, students. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In the sunshine, somewhat hard. If in the sunshine recorder, you have to know there will be a several 3 type of cards. It can be inserted in this curved one. You can insert, and after getting that reading from the burnt area, you can convert how much duration that sunshine was occurred. Okay, burnt card produced, burned card is a reading. From that you can get the time period for the sunlight. Okay, here you can see in this picture for your clear explanation. From midpoint there will be a high burning, high area was burning, but in the starting and ending less area. So the high sunlight was obtained in the particular area is high in the mid portion. Okay, like that. These also are the same, but the modified one, modified sunshine recorder. It's called as chronometer. That's modified one. That's not needed. Then portable air velocity meter. From the name of the instruments, you can see that's a portable. Portable mean? Anyone? Portable mean?
We can carry.
You can carry. You can go with these instruments with your field. Okay, the portable air velocity meter. This used to measure the velocity of an area, and the velocity is mile per hour. That's the common things. Then hot wire anemometer meter is used to measure the speed of wind. Like, what is the instruments that measure the speed of wind?
Anemometer.
Yeah, correct. Correct. Okay, but like that, there will be instruments that gave, and in one display, you can get the speed of wind, direction of wind, and temperature and the relative humidity. These are the modified one where the instruments doing more parameters, getting the speed of wind, getting the direction of wind, and getting the temperature, relative humidity. Okay. Then snow gauge, similar to which instruments is functions snow gauge?
Rain gauge.
Yeah, rain gauge. Rain gauge. Here in the rain gauge, you are measuring the rainfall, which means the liquid one. Okay. In your area, there will be a chance for the liquid, no. But in the European countries, there will be a chance for the snow. So for measuring the snow, the liquid precipitation, you can use these snow gauge. Okay. Depth of snow can be measured in a centimeter or in a millimeter. Okay. Here also I want to tell something. We will finish the snow gauge we use to measure the solid precipitation. Anemometer. In the anemometer, you can see here is the anemometer. What is this? Yeah, direction of wind. The instruments used, arrow. Good. The directions of wind is it's these instruments like anemometer. It is called as wind van. Okay, wind van. WANE. Okay, this wind van having the head and tail. You can see here, head and tail. It's the symbol one. You can see so it's given the reading of origin, from which side the wind is generated. But anemometer is used to measure the wind speed. It is used to measure the direction of wind origin. Okay. And these two instruments, this anemometer and the wind van, should be 10 meter height. The height of the insulations of these materials, 10 meter. Okay, from the surface level, it should be 10 meter. Okay. Do you understand what I mean by 10 meter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you can see in this picture here, it is away from the surface now. This is anemometer. I told this should be 10 meter. It's both in anemometer and wind van. Okay, wind van. Both sections should be in a 10 meter, and it should be freely movable, because if it is for one season, the wind is originated from one side. For the other season, the wind is originated from other side. So it should be freely movable. So to check that, you have to be frequently check these. You can see these two combine mainly in the ships, and both these tools are combinedly fixed in the meteorological station. Okay. Then, any questions? And the session was finished. In this section, don't need to get panic because there are so many instruments, so many notes. I am telling some additional information. No need to worry about those. Just you want to know that what are the instruments and what's the usage. That's the main purpose. You have to know that. The main point, you have to know that. And these instruments are you need to be getting familiar these instruments. That's a good thing. Any question up to this? Additionally, I have having some points to tell, but if I told everything, you will be confused. Until this, there's any doubt? Any slide? Yeah, tell.
How to enter this practical?
Yeah, I will tell, because we have some new idea to enter this practical. I will discuss, and next class I will tell. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because normally while we are in students, we are recording this practical in a A4 sheet, and we are submitting as in our hand with our normal writing. We will write these materials, methodology like that. We write and submit to the demonstrators. But in the case of yours, we are using some new idea because you are in online now. We are studying by Zoom now, so it is hard to maintain the record. So I will discuss, and from next practical I will tell. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Before getting some question, we will see. Do I show the slides again from the start? Okay. Because if I ask questions in a index number, you will be worried. No, I will start from the first slide. Okay. In the slide, you are noticed this agrometeorology. What is the meaning of agrometeorology? What is the meaning of weather and climate? What is the difference between weather and climate? Okay. Then the second one, temperature, rainfall, wind are the most important parameters, and how it can be influenced in the crop growth and the development. Okay. Then why need to be considered these parameters as a farmer for the agriculturist? Why we need to be considered? These are the common questions. And what are the climatic parameters that are responsible for the crop growth? Temperature, what is maximum temperature, rainfall, amount, intensity, and distribution. Okay. And wind, velocity of wind and direction of wind. Direction of wind is measured by direction of wind is measured by anyone?
Anemometer.
Anemometer means speed.
Wind van.
Yeah. Wind van. You can clarify that speed. Yeah, good. Wind van. Okay. Then relative humidity. Then measurement of temperature. In the measurement of temperature, dry bulb temperature. What is the dry bulb temperature reading? When the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb temperature giving the equal reading, when it is relative humidity is 100. Okay, what is wet bulb temperature? How it will be weighted? Okay, and why there will be a reductions of reading in dry bulb and wet bulb? Okay, that things you want to be know to identify these picture, dry bulb and wet bulb. Okay, this is a cotton cloth because in the spot examination we are hiding this dry and wet. We are naming as A and B. Okay, just we will make an arrow and identify the picture and identify the A thermometer, identify the B thermometer, and what is the difference between both thermometers. It's a one question for spot. Like that there will be question. Then maximum thermometer giving the maximum reading of a area after insolations, and the minimum thermometer also the same. Then it's a combined picture which displays four type of thermometer: maximum, minimum, dry bulb, and wet bulb. You can be ready to identify those. Okay. Then thermograph, it's a graph format of temperature reading. You can get the graph format of temperature in a particular area, particular period of time. It's a normally, not a manual. Then soil thermometer, soil temperature, to measure the soil temperature. Soil temperature is important to plant, to maintain our management practices, to maintain the decomposition rate, to maintain the microorganism as well as the macroorganism. So like that, there will be importance for the soil temperature. To measure that, we are using soil thermometer. We can use this soil thermometer in different depth, 5, 10, 20, 30. And the thickness of soil thermometer is is highly thickness than the normal thermometer because we have to insert into the soil. So there will be a chance for the broken. Then this is a picture. Okay, then automatic temperature meter. It's an advanced one. Whether we can get maximum, minimum, and average temperature. Okay, the portable one. And Stevenson screen. It's a screen that's a covered. Protect all the areas because the foreside was covered, and there will be a less chance for the direct sunlight to the particular thermometer because here all the thermometers are displayed and thermograph were displayed. So to protect direct sunlight to the reading, because if it is direct sunlight giving to the thermometer, the reading will be varied. It's not giving the average and accurate reading. So therefore it's covered. Okay, and the Stevenson screen was placed over 1.25. Important point. 1.25. In the Stevenson meter, dry bulb temperature, thermometer, wet bulb thermometer, maximum, minimum, thermograph will be displayed. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then it's a picture. This picture also you have to be identified. First, they have asked for the example. They asked what is the instruments and what are the instruments inside the Stevenson box. Why it be covered in four sides? Why we did a closed system? Okay, there will be a question. Then rain gauge. Rain gauge you can get this picture. It can be inserted normally inside the soil, but it also can be inserted in a normal surface, and from the surface 30 centimeter, from the surface to bottom it will be 15 centimeter, total 45 centimeter. There will be a calibrated container. When the rain falls, the rain will be collected here and it will be collected here. So you can in the calibrated container, from the calibrated container you can get the average temperature, average rainfall. Okay, there will be several factors you know to be know that in a rain gauge. If it is okay, if it is, it should be inserted in the soil now, and it should be in a covered one. Why? If you are collected water here, if it is exposed to the sunlight, there will be a chance for the evapotranspiration. Okay. So that it's additional things. It should be dumped in the soil, inside the soil. Okay. And the cylinder, while you are selecting the cylinder, it should be narrow and accuracy. To reduce the error, it should be narrow and accuracy. And if it is overflow, just imagine that the cylinder was filled fully. Up to this point, there will be a rainfall and water was filled. If it is overflow occurs, the water was collected in a big cylinder here. If it is overflow occurred, the water was collected here. So while you are getting the reading, you want to measure this amount of water collected and this amount. Okay? When it is overflow. And it should be 30 centimeter. That is because if it is like a flat condition, if you are giving 10 centimeter, water can easily, the flat water also can insert to the rain gauge. So for that only 30 centimeters was above from the top. Okay, these are the additional things I just told that, but no need to worry. Okay. Shall I move? Okay. Then this is a digital method. You just need to be identify this picture. If it is displayed in a spot, you can easily you want to be identify that it is a rain gauge. Then as a rain gauge recorder, like similar to the thermograph, the graph format was obtained. Then anemometer is used to measure the wind speed. Okay, the wind van is used to identify the direction of wind flow. Then barometer is used to measure the atmospheric pressure, and what is blue color indicate, what is yellow color indicate. And barograph, what is barograph? It's a graph format of atmospheric pressure, and it's a graph format. Then relative humidity can be measured by the hydrometers, and here hydrometers used to measure graph format. You can get in a simply you are getting in a room. Then evaporation tank, you want to know that the diameter and the height, and it should be placed in a wooden material, and it's used to measure the evaporation rate. Okay, then sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder is used to, like these apparatus is sunshine recorder. There will be 3 type of cards which indicates the durations of sunlight for the particular area. From which time to which time there will be a high radiation. Like that, it will be given the radiation rate. That's also same but modified one. And portable air velocity meter used to measure the velocity, then hot wire, speed of wind, direction of wind, thermometer, and relative humidity. Okay, and snow gauge used to measure the solid precipitation. Then, any questions? Again, any question? Any question? AG 50. Gugadarshini. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then the simple questions. First, identify the first one. Just for all, identify A, B, C, D, E. I will give 2 minutes. Okay, first I ask. 84. AG 84.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is A?
Thermometer.
Yeah, correct. Then 04. Zero 04.
Yes, ma'am.
The second B1.
Wind gauge.
Wind van. Then, okay, thank you. And 36. AG 36.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Then C. C. Anyone see?
No.
Yeah. Correct. Then, if you are able to answer these picture, you no need to study more. It's okay. You are 60% you are okay. If you identify these instruments, that's the thing. That's why I asked question. Okay, then 88.
Yes, ma'am.
D1.
Rain gauge.
Yeah, correct. Good. Then Mm, okay. 54.
Yes.
E.
Barometer.
Good, good. I'm happy that you are answering, no? Then, here, in this question, you need to be know that what is the function. Okay? Thermometer is used to measure the
Temperature.
good. Good.
Temperature.
The drain gauge is used to measure the good. Then the barometer is used to measure the pressure. Good, good. Wind van is used to measure the anemometer is used to measure the
Wind speed.
wind speed. Good, good. Good, good. Happy that you all understood now. If you are able to, if you are able to answering these questions, you are okay. You are fully having knowledge about this material because these are the basic questions will be appeared in a spot. Then this question, just okay. I will ask. Just everyone see the questions. I will ask. Okay. AG 086.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for the first question? Which one is the following is not an instrument used in meteorological
Machine.
X-ray machine? Good, good. Then the second importance of these questions you need to be discussed in the discussion part. Just take a screenshot. What is the importance of agrometeorology in a crop production? And refer mention the type of recording and non-recording. Refer for your further reading. What is recording and non-recording drain gauge? And why need to be measure the soil temperature? The importance of soil temperature. While I am taking the lectures, I told for your purpose you can search and write. And at last, like a chart like this, you can get a number and the name of meteorological instruments and use. What is the purpose of using these instruments? Like that, make a chart. This chart, if you are making this chart with a good additional information, is enough for the answers of questions. Okay, and other than that, you can need to be answered when the environmental temperature is high. What will be happen to the wet bulb thermometer reading? Specify the reason. These are the things you need to be additionally know. In this name, you need to be, because we studied nearly 16 instruments we studied. Okay, but while you are recording these, while you are writing these instruments and the usage, you need to be giving additional instruments, because this is not a 16 instruments. There will be several instruments other than these 16s. You just write these new instruments and write the usage. Okay, like there will be a weather balloon and windstock, cloud mirror, like that. There will be several instruments. If I teach that one, there will be a huge notes. So you can just name the instruments and the usage. Okay. In the discussion part, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then thank you. Thank you, and but not class finished. Just I say thank you. Huh? Thank you. Okay. For yeah. Then the one things we write to do, you know, because from the next class you are group 1, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So next Tuesday you are getting other title. Before that we will give some objective, okay, as a individual. For if for example, I didn't know if it is 056 getting one objective, 058 getting two objectives, second objective. Okay, if imagine if it is monocot, dicot, practical. Okay, we will give monocot for one student and we will give dicot for another students. You want to make a slide and you want to give what is the knowledge that you know. Wait, there will be some messages. Okay, understood? One slide you have to make and you have to be tell what is you know in that particular topic. That's a simple one. New topic we will never give you. The O level things we will give. Okay? Is there any things?
Okay, ma'am.
One boy gets tell the response. Okay, others?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Monocot, dicot. That's okay, no? Seeds, component of seeds. That's a simple things, no? Like these topics we will never give you. Like small topics we will give. That will be given by Tanshan sir. I will discuss and let me. He will tell to the representative what is the title and which are the students. Okay. And if you having interest to study more in these meteorological instruments for your further knowledge, there will be several website. You can go through and there will be several YouTube videos that telling the instruments and how to use, how to maintain. You can see. So for the additional information. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Until this class is okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is that fast or I am fast? Any comments I need to be improved? Because I am taking the first practical lectures for your batch. Yeah, I take for other batches, but that's somewhat they are modified and they are familiar to the terms. That's why I ask. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Others, there is so many members, but response from a particular one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Understood. Okay. This discussion pass is more important to get good practical record marks because practical record is having a certain component in the examination point of view. So just focus these questions and try to answer these questions in your own language. It is if you are answering these 5 questions with your own language and if you are searching more, you will get A+ in the practical record 1. Okay, and try to submit the practical record. I will tell what is the procedure to write, and later I will tell. No, from the next class I will tell what is the procedure to record. Then anything I want to show again. if you are thinking the notes is very high, no need to worry more. Okay, the basic things you want to identify the instruments and the purpose, and the purpose and the instrument's name and the instrument pictures. That's needed. Okay, I will wind up the class. Thank you. We will meet next class. Okay, I will discuss the miss and let you I inform that what is the topic for the presenter. You have to, the first thing is no need to tell more, just one slide. You need to be tell that what you know about this topic. That's the thing. Okay, don't search and like that, don't take lectures. Just if it is flower, what do you know that in flower, bisexual, like that, just make a one slide and tell. Okay, that's for you interacting, because you have to be familiar to spoke. If you are in the lectures, we will ask the questions and we will allow you to write the board and everything. You are not in the lectures, no. That's why we are planning to do a one presentation that will be conducted by Dhanshan sir. I will discuss and he will be inform you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. You can leave. Which one? Wait, ma'am. Do you want to write? No. The person who asked. No. For the what? The representative. Are you representative? Who is the representative of this batch? Group 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. The thing
Ma'am.
is, yeah. I will tell. Pass these students this information to all your students. Recording of practical, I will inform later. Okay. How to record and how can you submit this practical? I will tell later. Okay. Until now, no need to record it because someone asked, ma'am, do you write the practical in A4 sheet? No, I will tell. I will tell what is the procedure and how do you write the practical. Okay? Representative?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I am not representative. They are in Dexter's code. They are.
Okay. They are group 2.
No, they are in group 1, but they are in emergence course from Lexus. So they are attend that course.
Okay. So pass this message. This is an important message. Others understand what I told.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I will
Yes, ma'am.
tell how do you record these materials. Okay. Sudhakaran, no? Okay, no?
No, ma'am. Arunamudan.
Sorry. Yeah, that's your father. Okay. Arunamudan, I just pass this. Okay, others
Okay.
can leave the class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you.